Okay, to slide your unit in, make sure that this port lines up with your on and off over here. This open port over here lines up with your buttons. Just slide it in, boom, slide that back in, and that's it. How's that look? That looks pretty solid, doesn't it? Check that out. This is going to be for nighttime use. Now, when I put on the roll cage, the soft wetsuit type material, the neoprene with the external part, this is going to be for daytime. All right. This here is going to be for night, and I'm going to show you why. It's because I'm going to use the LED VidPro. This is a really good unit. This is the M52. It says 50-foot radius, but really that's around me, so I figure 25 feet on the highest power setting. And believe me, at night this will light up the place. So you notice right here, I got it. I put the bracket, the screw and mount here. You can also put it over here to make it vertical, but I prefer it, instead of vertical, I prefer it horizontal. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! See how bright it is even during the daytime? Notice how this screws right into the cold shoe mount. Perfect, isn't it? I can just angle this back or forward, doesn't matter. It has 4 power settings. So that's my night setup. And this is so light. This is the reason why I don't go with the aluminum cage, because it's so much heavier. The aluminum cage is heavy, so it's good for vlogging, sturdy. But I went with the ABS plastic in this one because of the shoe. Now, the shoe is not available on the GoPro roll cage, all right? Because this is soft. This is like neoprene. This here is ABS. So I'm going to use this for nighttime because of the light. And daytime, it'll be with this. That is what I recommend for accessories. Very simple to use. And I prefer this one because it's very inexpensive. And I've been using this for years and it works. All right?